Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on? We got a special delivery here. We got a special delivery for the Gsxr 600. I wanted to do this for some time now. I had it on my previous bike and I just, I needed this. So today we're not really going to do an unboxing because I'm going to tell you what it is, a quick shifter. I decided to get it from the person that already had it with the rod because I didn't want to buy the quick shifter and have to purchase the rod separately. So I got the whole system right here, Dynojet quick shifter. And let me get my trusty seat. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the Gsxr 600. The person that I got it from, they gave it to me with the whole setup. So all I have to do is take out this one right here. Actually, I just have to take out this whole system because he gave it to me with everything. And I would just keep that as a backup just in case anything. And then that goes right there. The cord right there. Route this all the way in the back to my Power Commander 3 USB. That's gonna go in there, route that to the back, and I'm done. So what I wanted to tell you guys, let me see if I can get my flashlight so you guys can get a better look and angle. Hold on, let me get my flashlight to go bigger. All right, so basically we got the Power Commander hooked up now. So let me hold it in my hand, the flashlight. So we got the Power Commander hooked up. So as you can see here, it was just a plug and play because I got it with the rod. Everything is hooked up. And what you guys want to make sure is, you see there, I marked where my shift lever was. So once I put this back on, everything could line up and everything could shift smoothly. And as you can see right there, I got that little red dot to show where do I put it on exactly. On the Power Commander, on the shifter, we have two of them. The red and yellow one right here is for push. The green and blue is for pull. So red and yellow is to shift standard. The blue and green is for GP shifting. So there it goes. So we're gonna hook that up. We got the other lead in the back of the Power Commander. So now we're gonna run these wires, we're gonna hook that up, and we're just gonna do a test to make sure everything is fine. But as you can see here, hooked up, everything perfect. I need two hands for the Gsxr, so I'm gonna start it up and I'm gonna let you guys hear it. So let me position this camera so you can hear it. All right, I think that's a really good position right there. There you guys go, quick shifter installed. I got it hooked up to the Power Commander 3. Easy setup because I got it with the rod with it, so I pretty much didn't have to do nothing. Like I told you guys,